and come outside.
Hey, open this door now.
Open this door and come outside, I say.
Let her open the door. I saw you enter.
We're not gonna give him a leg now.
So you think you can be sneaking in and out of my house without giving my rent?
Husband and wife debtors. Husband and wife debtors.
Don't want to come out. Don't worry.
Okay, this is the way you think you can be going in this house. Never. If you are not very careful, I will not
talk to throw you out of this house. That's what's going to happen to you.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus. Madira. Woba. Alama pa ni orisori to si.
Yes, go. Oh God.
What kind of life is this now? Sit down. Rent, Abi.
Still the rent now. Told him I'll pay. Just give us few time or few weeks. We'll pay. This is the first time we're weighing. Oh no.
It's okay. What about the interview you went for?
Nah, I didn't get it because said the place is already filled up, so next batch you get it.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Another one will come.
Sure.
Easy.
Thank you.
We'll pay the rent. I mean, it's not like we owe.
We don't owe.
It's just 1 year.
Just 1 year.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
The good job will come.
Thank you.
Okay, so just go inside and freshen up and I'll get your food for you.
Alright now, thank you. Smile.
I put on my eyes, tensions, I
Hey!
Oga Landlord.
They say 99 days for the thief, just 1 day for the owner. Yes.
Oh, welcome.
God has caught you people for me. Call me that your stupid husband. Let me come out. I am collecting my rent before I leave this place.
Oga Landlord, he went out though. He went out and he's going. As soon as he comes back, he's going to pay you.
As soon as he come back. As soon as he come back since the beginning of the year. As soon as he come back.
Oga Landlord,
That one, that story.
this time is different.
Maybe you call him from wherever he is. You understand? That one I story. I no dey for story. I have talks outside though. I have talks. They will throw the two of you out there. Better call him from wherever he is.
Oga Landlord, please. He has gone out to look for the money. He's going to pay as soon as he gets back. I promise you.
He has gone out to look for the money.
Yes.
Hey, you see, I am really surprised at you. As good looking as you are, how did you end up with that kind of riffraff? He's still going out to look for the money. I am sure he cannot get it. You see, you ladies at times, I think you are blind when you are looking for who to marry. When you are looking for who to marry, it's like you close your eyes. You are. How could you have such that riffraff for your husband?
Landlord, please don't talk about my husband that way. Please. I said he will bring your money.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry for insulting your husband. Please, let me just have my money. Let me have my money.
Landlord, just please. He has gone out. He's going to bring the money for you.
So you are sure he's going to bring the money?
Yes.
Okay. I'll wait for him. No problem. I'll wait for him. I'll wait for him. Because I don't trust you people at all. You have been giving this kind of excuses since the beginning of this year. You see, when you people you close your eyes when you are looking for husband. How could you be? Don't let me to appear as if I'm insulting your husband. But imagine as good looking as you are. When people like us, do you think this is the only house I have? No. On this field, I have 3 houses. You should be moving with people like us. Not that kind one that is still writing, I wish to apply. When did I write I wish to apply last? About 50 years ago. Look at you.
So, what are you trying to say?
It's like you are blind. You are blind. Move with people like us. Move with money people like us. And that one is not fit to be your husband. No, look at as good looking as you are. Very soon now, the poverty will be showing on you. Pimples and eczema will be fighting for a place on your forehead if you don't move with the right people. Come closer now. Come closer. Hey, it's like you are deaf to advices. Hey.
I understand what you want.
You understand? If you understand, then you know what? I might even forget the rent. Yes, I might even forget the rent. And if you really cooperate very well and leave that idiot, I will set you up. Set you up. Just tell me where you want house in this Lagos. Yes.
Okay. No problem, Ogalala. Thank you. You know what? Let me quickly go inside and come back and meet you so you can get ready for me and come.
Are we using inside?
No. Let's stay here. Just feel relaxed. My husband is not home. Let me just close the door.
Okay. That's good.
Let me go inside. I'm coming.
Okay. Don't be long. They be moving with riffraffs. We money people dey. They be moving with riffraffs. That was very quick. Yes.
I've not done this before, so I don't know how to.
I don't understand.
I mean, I've not cheated on my husband, or I've not.
You are not cheating on him. You are helping him. He cannot pay his rent, and you are the one helping him. You are not cheating on him. Okay. Don't give yourself any guilt. You understand? You are just helping him.
Okay.
How do you?
Okay. Like this? Okay.
Let's do it.
I think it's not comfortable.
Okay, Landlord. Okay, Landlord. Okay, Landlord, just stay like that. Stay like that.
What is happening now?
You are still saying what is happening. You are see, this recording Chukumaka everything. I will send it to your wife. But no, stand up, stand up. Stand up. You think you're the one I know how to shout? Stand up now. Stand up. Stand. I will not cut it to. Stand up. Okay, sit down. No problem. You're my guest now. Sit down. You have been looking for a way to come to my house since now. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. So because my wife, don't worry, this recording I'll still keep it like it. So because my wife said I'm not at home, you want to eat the cake that I'm eating because I'm owing you rent. Only hold it, still recording. I'm coming for you.
But no go bring cutlass, oh. No go bring cutlass, oh. Hey, no go bring cutlass, oh.
Still recording like that.
I'm recording.
Landlord, you see this file? You will sign it. We are not paying rent in this house for the next 2 years. How am I saying 2 years? Only 2 years.
5 years.
5 years, okay, Landlord. Write it.
It's too much now.
Baba Korope.
Video will go to your wife if you don't take this seriously.
Let's recording. Baba Korope gave Mr. and Mrs. Oyiko access to stay in my house for 5 years, then sign. Do it now. One more. Cut it now. Let me send it to his wife.
This is not fair. Okay, let's say 3 years. Let's say 3 years.
Oh, because I will increase it to 10 years. Do you want 10 years?
Baby, we don't want to live here for 10 years now. 10
years. 5 years is okay. Baba Korope. So because I'm not, she said I'm not at home. That's how you people, wicked landlord in this record. Write it.
What kind of handwriting is it? Write it clearly now.
I'm seeing it now. I just need the signature. Let him write it. That is handwriting.
And did we agree on 3 years?
Look at this man. 5 years. Keep recording. 5 years. This is evidence, and this is an evidence too. 2 evidence. You can't escape anyone.
Because of house rent. Eh?
Sign now.
Clearly, oh.
Thank you. Bring it. So, me too will sign here. 5 years. Yeah. Thank you for doing business with you.
Thank you.
Your greed, wickedness have put you to this. As soon as you have stayed your own, you will not let your below the belt faculty control you. Carry your plate and leave this house. 5 years. We'll see you in the next 5 years. Carry your slippers. Move!
If you need to go back on this thing, there will be problems.
See video now. We have video evidence already. Thank you very much. I see you in the next 5 years.
Very greedy man.
Go.
Because of house rent, you want to stay with somebody's wife. Because of house rent. Look at him. Hey, ole.
See you in the next 5 years.
Jesus. God works in mysterious ways.
Yes. So this thing, I'm going to photocopy it, give one to my lawyer, send it to our lawyer. Anybody that comes. Yes. I'm ready.